Hey, what's up? I'm Liv. I'm Mim. We're Nervo, and you're watching Le Mixer. Who are Nervo? We're sisters. We're fun. And we're music makers. That's 2 words, sorry. Club. Festival.
Really?
Yeah. We get one each. There's 2 of us.
I don't think I've been in. I don't think I've had a good club night out for a long time. So I'm ready to have one.
Oh,
come
no. You can't say that.
No.
You can't. That's impossible.
Well, you actually have to say being a mum.
Yeah.
That's the correct answer, right?
Yeah.
But we have recently both become mums. But it's really nice to be back at work.
Yeah.
Like we've enjoyed coming back and playing.
Well, I prefer Facebook. And the reason why is because I feel like Facebook you can say more. You know, you can like post about your political views or your, whereas Instagram is just about pictures.
And I would say neither. Well, the sexiest instrument is probably a violin or a viola or no double bass. Huh?
No, okay, come on.
The sexiest instrument?
No, just your instrument. What would you be?
A saxophone's pretty cool.
Your saxophone is cool.
Blow me. Sorry, guys. We're joking. Oh, God. That's a bit hard to answer. Great question. Yeah, if we were a song, if I was a song, my goodness gracious.
I'd be the song that had no end. It would go on and on, my friend. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was, and they continued singing it forever just because it was the song that never ends. The song that keeps going.
What is that song?
Don't know. The song that never
Yeah,
ends.
there you go. That's a good one.
I'd have to say Australia.
Me too, because Australia's new and it's very multicultural, and there's a lot of sunshine.
And we were born there.
Yes.
Oh, Tomorrowland.
Yeah, Tomorrowland. Yeah. Well, we have a lot in the pipeline.
Yes.
We've just done a lot of music making. I mean, is Faded the next one?
Yeah, we've got a record coming out. We did a psytrance version of Zoo's Faded. And so we've got that coming out, and then we've got a record called Pickle, which is fun. That features Tiny Temper and Paris Hilton.
Yeah, and
then
we have another record called Smoothie, which is a lot of fun. That features the Knox.
Yeah.
And just lots. We don't even know really when they're coming because our team.
We need to schedule it.
Yeah.
Well, we're back
Yes.
because we had 5 months off, and
So many gigs.
yeah,
Like just
we're going to
festival.
America twice in the summer, which is the first time we've done that for like 5 years.
Yeah.
So just lots of travel, lots of festivals.
Yeah, it's festival season. We're doing less clubs, more festivals.